Marga is an animal introduction educational game that combines software and hardware to maximize early childhood understanding of animals. Marga aims to help early childhood facilitators to introduce animals, improve the quality of learning, provide interesting experiences, train motor skills, and improve the teaching of the Montessori method. Marga can also be used anytime and anywhere, making it easier for early childhood facilitators. This game is equipped with a magic box and stuffed animals to implement tangible interaction through Rfid technology.